Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi bake with salmon. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality sushi rice and fresh salmon. Cook the sushi rice according to package directions, then gently fold in a seasoned rice vinegar mixture. Press this prepared rice firmly into the bottom of your baking dish, creating a solid base for your delicious bake. Next, prepare your salmon. You can bake or pan fry about 1 pound of salmon until it's cooked through, then flake it into small pieces. In a bowl, combine the flaked salmon with a half cup of Japanese mayonnaise, a tablespoon of sriracha, and a dash of soy sauce. Mix well until everything is creamy and evenly coated, then spread this over the rice. Now it's time to add your final touches before baking. You might want to sprinkle some furikake, a Japanese rice seasoning, over the salmon layer. For extra flavor and texture, consider adding thin slices of avocado or a spoonful of masago. Bake your sushi bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and bubbly. Once your sushi bake is beautifully golden, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. This cooling time helps it set, making it easier to serve. Cut the bake into individual squares and serve them with crispy nori sheets. Guests can scoop a portion onto a nori piece, creating a delightful, deconstructed sushi experience. Enjoy your homemade sushi bake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.